What's up, guys? Decided to get this today. Yep, duelist toolbox. So let's just open this up somehow and see what we get. So hold on a second, I'm gonna be opening this up. Okay, let's see where the hell we open this. Okay. So obviously you get your playing mat. I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks. So it's just a plain old playing mat, no rubber, so it's not worth anything to me. You get your beginner's guide. It's just what you get. Some exclusive cards you have to get through a special offer for Shonen Jump. But here is the main thing. The deck itself. So we get a junk destroyer. Sorry, the quality isn't so good. I'll have to get a better camera next time. Rapid Warrior, Synchron Explorer, X-Saber Wayne, Battle Footballer, Blazing Impachi, Toon Warrior. Oh, Man-Eater Bug. That's what I'm talking about. Hayabusa Knight. Chainsaw Insects. Whoa, 2,400 attack. Worm Apocalypse. Junk Synchron ×2. Speed Warrior. Quillbolt Hedgehog ×2. X-Saber Galahad. Fortress Warrior. Turret Warrior. Twin Sword Marauder, or something like that. Dark Tinker. Quick Draw Synchron. Half Shot Giant Grenade. Card Destruction. Reinforcement Warrior. Banner of Courage. Enemy Controller. Hammer Shot. Monster Reincarnation. Sort of like Monster Reborn in a way. Synchron Boost. Wild Tornado. Trap Hole. Just Tornado. Raigeki Break. Rope of Life. Secret Barrel. Sakuretsu Armor. I don't know. Threatening Roar. Rising Energy. Defense Draw. X-Saber Urbellum. Gaia Knight the Force of Earth. So thanks for watching, guys. I know the quality was sort of bad, but I'll try better next time. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos.